In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a stunning online store using Wix, specifically focusing on managing your new venture through manage.wix.com and www.wix.com. This guide is tailor-made for anyone embarking on a journey to sell clothing online, providing you with a comprehensive walkthrough, from account setup to publishing your website. First, let's get started by visiting Wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're not already registered, creating an account is straightforward and quick, requiring just some basic information to get started. After logging in, head straight to the Create New Site button. This is the exciting part where your ideas begin to take shape. You'll then select Online Store as your business type, which is especially suited for those intending to venture into the fashion and clothing industry. After choosing your business category, click Continue to proceed. Now, it's time to infuse creativity. Click on Design Site, which is your gateway to visual storytelling. You'll see an array of templates. Pick one that resonates with your brand ethos and is labeled as a clothing store template. This will set the initial aesthetic tone of your website. Next, let's add functionality to your site by integrating the Wix Stores app. In the editor, navigate to the app market, search for Wix Stores, and install it. This app will bring essential features to your site, including an online store, product catalog, shopping cart, and secure checkout option, all vital for smooth customer transactions. With the app in place, it's time to populate your store. Through the Wix dashboard, head over to Store Products, then to Products. Here is where you will add each clothing item with high-quality images and detailed descriptions about size, fabric, and style. Set your pricing accurately, include various product variants, and importantly, manage your inventory wisely to maintain smooth operations. To enhance the logistical side, click on Settings and navigate to Accept Payments. Under the Settings tab, you can choose from various payment providers, including Wix payments for credit transactions, PayPal, and even manual options like cash on delivery. Design remains paramount. Craft your website carefully, giving attention to each page. Your homepage can showcase new arrivals and collections with a Shop Now call to action, while your shop page should be arranged in a grid format, enabling easy navigation through products. Don't forget, having an About and Contact page adds a personal touch, sharing your brand story and offering multiple communication channels. Remember to set up shipping and tax effectively. Hit the shipping and delivery settings for different zones, and consider implementing marketing features by integrating email marketing tools and social media feeds to boost engagement. Finally, ensure your site is mobile optimized by using the mobile editor. Everything must be seamless across devices. When everything is visually and functionally in place, click on Preview to see your masterpiece in action. Once satisfied, hit Publish and make a test purchase to ensure the process is flawless from start to finish.